This public policy system can have a tremendous impact on our public schools, either good or bad. Regardless of how you think it is working right now, the system certainly does work to enact change in our nation's public schools. The scariest part of the system is that it depends so much on individuals being proactive to make the change that they want to see. At the federal level, elected officials can have a great impact on the system. At the current moment, Donald Trump is trying to diminish public schools and increase access to charter institutions. However, in the past, presidents have enacted laws that greatly help our nation's students, such as IDEA. In Pennsylvania, Governor Wolf has committed to helping public schools and has shown this through his administration's support of public schools through funding and increased programmatic assistance. Clearly, elected officials have a great say in what happens. When one official who supported public education is voted out of office or resigns, the next may not be as friendly to the cause. Therefore, change in policy can happen slowly and swing dramatically based on who is in office. Obviously, the higher up the policy is created, the slower it moves, but the wider it may swing. Changes at the federal level, like No Child Left Behind, the Every Student Succeeds Act, or IDEA, all took a lot of coordination and cooperation to implement. The repeal of these policies can also cause immense ripples at the individual school level, which are sometimes hard to work with. Educators need to care about how this policy is created because at some point it will impact the work that they do and what they are able to do with their students. Not caring about public policy basically means that the educator simply doesn't care about their job. Educators of today cannot afford to be unaware of how educational policy is created. It impacts our jobs, but most importantly, it impacts our students. I am happy that throughout this course, I have become a more informed educator and citizen, and feel better equipped to advocate for public schools in the future. Hopefully, as more and more educators realize the impact of an individual can have on the system, they will become more proactive and work to influence public policy more and more. I am hopeful for the future of educational public policy, and I'm excited to be an educator during these ever-evolving times.